Nakatakdang idaos ang second APEC Senior Officials Meeting at ilang pang ng Boracay. Ayon sa DFA, ito ay magbibigay rin ng pagkakataon para makita ng mga delegado na it's more fun in the Philippines. Narito ang ulat ni Elena Luna.
Simula sa linggo, magiging abala ang isla ng Boracay hindi lamang sa mga turista, kundi pati na rin sa mga kinatawan ng Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation o APEC. Mula sa May 10 hanggang May 24, gaganapin sa Boracay ang second APEC Senior Officials Meeting at iba pang pagpupulong ng 21 member economies ng APEC.
This May, senior officials are also expected to report on the progress of agreed work plans discussed at the first senior officials meeting held last February in Clark, Pampanga. Considered as the midpoint of the APEC 2015 year, SOM 2 presents delegates with the unique opportunity to follow through on earlier commitments as well as to introduce additional measures to reinforce work on the APEC 2015 priorities, which are regional economic integration, SMEs participation in regional and global markets, investment in human resource development, and building sustainable and resilient.
1,500 kinatawan mula sa 21 mga miyembrong bansa ng APEC ang inaasahang pupunta sa Boracay. Ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, ang APEC sa Boracay ay magbibigay pagkakataon din para makita ng mga bumibisitang delegates na it's more fun in the Philippines, maging sa mga conference meeting at exhibit.
Also, it's Visit the Philippines here. So hopefully the APEC meetings would be a good opportunity for our with our delegates from fellow member economies to see what it is really to be outside of Manila. Most of them, of course, have been to Manila, but perhaps may have not been able to see the other beautiful places in the Philippines.
Isa sa magiging tampok sa APEC Boracay ang gagawing cultural presentation.
Beyond the conference, the Philippines as the APEC 2015 chair and host will treat delegates to a relaxed gala dinner on the white powdery sand against the backdrop of the Boracay sunset. Local island flavors will be featured at the dinner, while mythical creatures from Philippine folklore will be the theme of the cultural presentation.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan,